Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Asbestos Removal Newcastle, safe and professional service in Edgeworth, NSW. I'm your host David. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're talking about something vital for your health and home safety: professional asbestos removal. Our team at Asbestos Removal Newcastle offers expert services for both homes and businesses right here in Edgeworth and the surrounding areas. We know how crucial it is to get this right. Our fully licensed and certified professionals don't just handle asbestos, they guarantee every step is taken safely and strictly within local regulations. This isn't just about compliance, it's about prioritizing the health of your family and our community. We pride ourselves on environmentally responsible disposal, fast, efficient job completion with minimal disruption to your daily routine, allowing you to return to normal life swiftly. Plus, our deep local knowledge of Newcastle's unique building challenges means we're truly your reliable partner. Choose us for certified professionals, eco-friendly methods, and tailored services that truly protect your space. Now, you might be wondering, what's the first step if I suspect asbestos? Well, the immediate answer is to contact us for an assessment. We'll conduct a thorough inspection to pinpoint any asbestos-containing materials and craft the best removal plan specifically for your property. But how can you even tell if you have asbestos at home? If your home was built before the mid-1980s, there's a good chance it might contain it, often found in insulation, ceiling, or floor tiles. The safest way, though, is always a professional inspection and testing. And a big concern we hear is asbestos removal truly safe? Absolutely! Our professionals are fully licensed, certified, and rigorously trained in safe removal practices. We adhere to the strictest safety protocols and legal regulations to ensure the process is effective and, most importantly, completely without risk to you or your loved ones. Your health and safety are our unwavering priorities. So, why is this essential for your home and family? Asbestos, if disturbed, poses serious health risks, leading to devastating illnesses like asbestosis, lung cancer, and mesothelioma. Choosing professional removal isn't just a precaution, it's a vital responsibility. By opting for our services, you're not only protecting your health, but also enhancing your property's value. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your home is a safe haven, free from this hidden danger. You'll gain increased confidence in your space and reduce potential legal liabilities down the line. We handle disposal in a safe, environmentally responsible manner, guaranteeing toxic fibers don't pollute our air or land. This commitment safeguards your family's future and contributes to a healthier environment for generations. It's about creating a safe, sustainable living space for all. If you need property advice or have concerns, book a call with our asbestos removal team today. Make the choice to safeguard